Hello guys, welcome to Geek Central. In this video, we explore ChatGPT and try how can ChatGPT help into modern day programming. What is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is a conversational language model that can generate human-like responses. Let's try ChatGPT. Let's try to ask some questions to ChatGPT. So our first question is, write code in JavaScript for building calculator. Okay, it's generating the response. Here is a simple example of JavaScript calculator that can perform basic arithmetic operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Right now, it's generating a very basic calculator that supports addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Okay, I think it's writing a pure JavaScript code. A const calculator. It's writing some functions like add, subtract, multiply, divide, and okay, great. It's added a switch operator. Okay. I think we have to add some HTML, so we have to ask again with ChatGPT. The main feature is ChatGPT is it's remember the previous question, so just we have to ask add HTML into this calculator. So okay, it's taking time. It start generating. Like here is an example of the JavaScript calculator with HTML added to create a basic user interface. Okay, great. It's adding some HTML. Okay, it's like you can see it's added a title also like JavaScript calculator and h1 heading or JavaScript calculator, and created a form with multiple inputs like 1 2 3 4 plus okay 5 and 6, and added a on click function also like add to expression and passing argument like 1 2 3. Great, man. It's saving our too much time. Like if someone is trying to build this calculator, it will take, if it's a experienced programmer, it will take more than 20 minutes to design and adding HTML and adding some logic to creating a calculator, because we have to write this code in pure JavaScript and try to debug in real time. And but the with ChatGPT, it's I think it writing a very good code. Okay, the code generation is completed. Let's copy this code and try to run in a online virtual ground. It's a GS Fiddle coding playground. Let's try to paste this code and hit the run button. Okay, great. It's rendered a JavaScript calculator in our browser. Like you can see, we have multiple buttons like any basic calculator. Okay, you can see there is some text ID result is disabled, and second input is ID expression, it's also disabled. Okay, let's add some CSS to this. Add CSS in this calculator in ChatGPT style. It's generating response again. Here is an example of the JavaScript calculator with the HTML and CSS modified to have a minimalist style similar to the OpenAI chat style. Okay, you can see this time it's added a style semantic and adding some CSS like body, font families like Arial and sans serif, background color. Okay, H1 text line, center margin, top. Okay, it's adding for form also and input also. Okay, let's fast forward this thing and wait for result. Okay, it's generated the response. I think there is some ending tag missing. Okay, not a big problem. We can copy this code and paste into this section and try to add some closing tags. Wow, as you can see, it's added a background color and perfect created buttons like 1 2 3, and you can see the text inputs also, the sizes increases. Great. Okay, let's try to do some advanced thing. Okay, right, add to cart feature in JavaScript. Here is an example of how you could implement an add to cart feature in JavaScript. Okay, it's created a function add to cart and it's expected items like, and it's pushing the items into cart array, and simply console log like item has been added to the cart. Okay, function view cart, add to cart carrot. Okay, this code creates an array cart to store the items that are added to the cart. Okay, let's add HTML in this add to cart with CSS this time. Here is an example of how you could implement the add to cart feature with HTML and CSS along with the metadata. Okay, let's fast forward this time. Okay, it's completed. This code creates a product. Okay, let's copy this code and try into this fiddle. Run. Yeah, You can see it's created some card of the products: apple, banana, carrot. And when we hit the add to cart button, it's console log the apple being added to the cart. Okay, banana. Let's end this video here. In the next video, we try to build a basic website with ChatGPT. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and share this video with your friends.